Does that mean say that person not going to change clothes? That be my question. Does that mean say that person not going to change clothes? Now the clothes when they take arrest them or where they don't bring go, when don't already they showcase for court. Now that same clothes now ain't going to wear. I want to ask this question because they asked Nnamdi Kanu, say, why is he still wearing this same clothes anytime when he get adjointment? The man said, this is the clothes they brought for him. So no any other clothes. So I want you guys to watch the video which I brought for you guys to watch. It's not easy. Nnamdi Kanu has suffered in prison. You understand? He has suffered. I don't know what the federal government, I don't know what they are doing about this case. Federal government, they are spending roughly 500 million naira to make sure that this man still remain there. You understand? Though Nnamdi Kanu said a lot of things, just I want you to pay attention and listen.